People always struggle to find right treatment, right hospital and right doctor. Ria is a working girl and was worried about her father's heart problem. She was advised about Medical Yatra by her friend. The team of doctors at Medical Yatra helped her in getting right opinion about her father's heart surgery, cost estimates from different hospitals, doctor's appointment, hospitalization formalities, hospital bill verification, and travel and stay arrangements. She received all medicine and lab tests at her doorstep at discounted prices. Medical Yatra also arranged nurses, attendants, physiotherapist at home and proved to be a one-stop solution for her father's medical needs. Let Medical Yatra take care of all your medical needs so that you can focus on well-being of your loved ones. For more details, log on to www.medicalyatra.com or contact us at 8100 660081.